Cardi also said, you don't have to say anything. I will put my own tea out. So allegedly, Cardi said, my granny died too. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Cardi said, and, and Cardi also said, I had to take classes to learn how to be a wife, to learn how to cook, and I had to humble myself. Cardi also said, out of the 7 years that we have been married, you have cheated on me once a month. But you know what happened? When a woman fed up. How do we know? I'll tell you. Cardi said, you never deserved me. Cardi said, I regret meeting you, but I don't regret having my children. Cardi said, I am done because you don't respect me, you don't value me, and you don't appreciate me. You know what really stood out to me? It's the fact that Cardi said, although I am done with you, I will not hurt you by sleeping with your friends or people you don't have the best relationship with. That's a loyal woman. She said, although I am hurt, you're the father of my kids love you, I still respect you enough not to do that. Put some respect on her name.